Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Jumbo Josh from the Garten of Banban and Spider-Man as one character. It's going to be simple, easy, so let's hop right into the lesson. Hey, let's go to draw Jumbo Josh and from Garten of Banban and Spider-Man as one character. It's going to be real simple, easy. Let's go through it together, okay? Let's jump right into it. Going to go right here. Curve over here for the side of Jumbo Josh's head. He's got a very looks like an egg. It looks like a long rock that fell on its side. Curve across over here. Down, pull in. Pull in over here. Down. Down. Alrighty. So really we're going through the shape of Jumbo Josh with kind of the attributes of Spider-Man. So pulling out over here. It's got this huge arm, right? It's got this huge, oversized arms. Thin right where it touches the body. Going out like that. Curve right here for the thumb and curve for that mitten hand that he's got. Okay? Out over here, down. Same thing on this side. It's, thinner, it gets bigger as it goes down to the thumb. So I need to thin it out more. Don't worry about it. We'll fix that with our Spider-Man. Don't worry, you'll see it, okay? But I drew that a little bit too quickly, which made it too thin. Curve right there. Over here. Pull down. Pull down. His torso gets smaller as it goes downward. By the way, what would be the name of this guy if you named Jumbo Josh with Spider-Man? What would that be? Write it in the comments. I'm going to pin the best comment, okay? I'm gonna pin it. So if you want to, if there's only one person that does it, they're getting pinned, and you can always be there forever. So at the top. All right, I'm gonna go over here, down over here for the legs. His legs are really tiny. Curve thumb over here, or toe thumb. Curve right here, toe thumb right there. Again, they're real small. Line over here for the lower body, and then we're gonna just connect them down here. Simple as that. All right, good stuff. So let's get into the Spider-Man part of this, right? Curve down right there. Huge. It looks like he has huge eyes, which I guess Spider-Man does. It's kind of, they're angled thisward, the axis of it is a little bit like this and like this. Line across. Pulling inward here, in. Pulling inward here, in. Because the spider suit's kind of over here. Line up over here, line over here. And I think that suit's like over here, right? Down over here. It gets, there's like a space, I believe, on this side, yeah. Doing this from memory. Down over here. Where's that blue on the inside? I can't remember, guys. Line over here. We're just going to do it across, and then across over here, and then pulling kind of like an inner blue area. So let's get over here and fix our mistake first. Line down, and try to draw them thinner as you can, by the way. Thinner if you can, because the thinner they are, I would say obviously the better it is, because it's just detail and you're not overwhelming the design. So we're going to curve over here. Imagine there's lines kind of drawn on mittens, okay? And then across over here as well. See, across, it's like a hashtag. See? All right, look at, we're already getting there. Same thing over here on the bottom of his feet right there. These hashtags. But it's thin. Hashtag. Or checker pattern. Let's go over here. Spider in the middle of the chest. Dot right there. Maybe a bigger dot. Outward. Down. It's almost like an L shape. It's a spider, so there's 8 legs. 2 up, 2 down. Let's do a little circle in the middle here. And then we're going to draw a line thin, if we can, all the way down the design, all the way up. And then it's going to be kind of like, it's going to radiate from that dot It's almost like sunshine. Again, this is why I want to keep it. You want to keep it thin. And remember, when you do these, you just want the gist. You want the impression of it. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? You just want the idea to come across to the viewer, right? See how I'm just doing these thin lines. You want the idea to come across to the viewer, and that's really what you're after. You're not after perfection. You're really not. You're not a robot. Don't worry about it. It's really not what you're after. You know, you just want someone to look at it and go, oh, I get what that is, right? That's kind of what we're after. Let's go over here to the arms, and we're going to checkerboard this a bit more here. Just kind of, there you go. Just a bit more over here. And we kind of like do it across the chest as well, the checker pattern. I would say around the face, if you want, you can do this. You can curve in, like he has on his mask normally. It's a little hard because there's no neck for the separator, right? But I'm kind of just artificially creating my own neck area over here. Curve, curve. And remember, if I was to do this again, these patterns would be a little bit different. A lot of this is based on like, okay, I know where I'm going to put this kind of, and like, so example, I don't know how far this is, you know, you're just kind of like guesstimating it. All right, one last thing. We're gonna give it a little. Oh, we're gonna give a little bit of a thicker line around the edge. Okay. A little bit of a thicker line around the border, and that's to contain everything better. There you go. There we go. Continue. But yeah, hopefully you're doing good. Hopefully hit the like button, by the way, if you like this idea. I also want you to put in an idea of your own in the comments, because I'm really curious what is it you want to see. Like I was saying earlier, if you name this character, you know, just put the name of it. Like, what do you think Spider-Man and Jumbo Josh should be? I will, like I said, pin that comment. But definitely share the video if you liked it. Definitely helps the channel out, and it's fun to kind of interact with everybody. But that's pretty much it. I want you to stick around. We're going to do another lesson together, okay? So stick around right now. We're doing another drawing lesson. So let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.